Say UFT class 20 VBScript looping statements. VBScript looping statements. VBScript flow control statements. Flow control statements. See, we have two types of flow control statements. Yesterday we discussed conditional statements. Today, looping statements. See, conditional statements. Next, looping statements or loop structures. See, we have 4 loop structures in VBScript. 4 loop structures. In Java also 4 loop structures. What are the 4 loop structures? See, 4 loop structures. 4 loop structures in VBScript. See, first one, for loop. Starting keyword for, end keyword next. Next, while wend. While wend. Third one, do loop. Do loop. Here we have to use either while or until. While or until, any one. Do while loop one structure. Do until loop another structure. Quite opposite. Next, last one. For each next loop. For each next. For each next loop. See, purpose of loop statements. Repetitive execution. See, loop statements used for repetitive execution. Okay. See, first for loop. For next. Syntax. First description. What is for loop? It repeats a block of statements for a specified number of times. It repeats a block of statements for a specified number of times. It repeats a block of statements for a specified number of times. Syntax. Saujanya, can you tell me the for loop syntax? Just guess. For loop syntax. For
condition.
Here no condition. In for loop, no condition.
Okay.
For counter equal to, see, counter place we take variable. For counter equal to start start to end. If it is 1 to 10 or 10 to 1 or 20 to 30, any range, start to end. Next, step. Step means increment. Step, increment or decrement. Statements. Next, end keyword next. Example. Suppose I want to repeat hello EFT message 5 times. Seed variable not required. For I equal to 1 to 5, MSG box hello EFT. It will repeat hello EFT message 5 times. Run the script. Hello EFT first time 2, 3, 4, 5 over. Suppose if you want that number, you can concatenate I variable. I concatenate. Observe. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, just a minute. Open order operation. Another example. Record the navigation. Open an order. Okay. Suppose I want to open, just a minute. This is constant value. If you want to observe the test data, insert wait statement. It is optional. Put base state. Run the script. See 1. Suppose I want to open 1 to 5 orders. 1 to 5 orders. Samir, guide me. I want to open 1 to 5 orders using for loop. Samir.
So we can put for
suppose ORD, any meaningful variable. ORD number
1 to 5.
1 to 5, step 1. Okay, for see step 1 is optional. By default 1 increment. If it is other than 1 increment, means 2, 4 or -1, you need to specify the step. By default 1 increment. You can remove this one. Next.
Replace 1 next at the end.
Next at the end.
And replace 1 with order number.
See, replace the constant value with the parameter. ORD number. Put base state. Run the script. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over. Just a minute.
Sir?
Just a minute. Open 1 to 5 orders. Open 1 to 5 orders using for loop. Tell me.
Sir, can we apply this for loop on new version of UFT, the
See,
application?
why you are asking this question? See, irrespective of the UFT version, you can apply for loop.
Oh, okay.
See, script version independent.
Okay, sir.
Version
But how
independent.
can I tried, but I don't know how to apply loop on this new application of UFT version.
Okay, tomorrow I will show. Actually, script is version independent. Okay, for VBScript also versions are there, 5.8. But irrespective of the UFT version, you can apply VBScript features, not only loops, conditions, functions, everything.
Okay.
You identify that scenario and apply for loop. This is the syntax.
Okay. So can you show us tomorrow also?
Okay.
Okay.
See, first you identify the scenario. Syntax common na.
Yes, sir. I tried, but I didn't.
Actually, in this application, this sample application is flexible, but you can identify the scenarios in new application also.
Okay, sir. I will try again.
First identify the scenario. See, in this new application, no open order, search order is there. You try to apply that for loop for search order or any other operation. You try to identify the scenario. Suppose if scenario is not available, you try to apply this scenario on any web application. Try to identify the scenario.
Okay, I got it.
Suppose in new sample application, that UFT sample application, if you are not able to find the scenario, you try to find the scenario in any web application and apply this syntax. Syntax common. Okay. See. Ravneet, I want to open 5 to 1 orders. See, open 1 to 5 orders in reverse order. 5 to 1 orders. Tell me the logic, Ravneet.
So we'll reverse the order number from 5 to 1.
5 to 1. Not enough. 5 to 1.
So we have to decrement the step
Yes.
by 1.
Yes. Step -1. Step -1. Put base state and run the script. See 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, Saujanya, I want to open every even number up to 10. Only even numbers. Even number.
So that will be like 2, sir.
Even numbers.
So instead of 5 to 2.
Up to 10. Just a minute.
Okay, then there it is 10.
2 to 10.
Yeah, and 10. Yes, sir.
Step 2.
Step 2. Yeah.
Put base state. Put mute. Run the script. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Over. See, we already discussed within loops we can use conditions and vice versa. Suppose my requirement is, say, open 1 to 5 orders. Ritu, open 1 to 5 orders except 4. Here one condition. Except 4th order. Means I want to open 1, 2, 3, 5 orders. 1, 2, 3, 5. Guide me.
Yes, sir.
Within loops we can use conditions. Within conditions we can use loops. Otherwise you can use loops only or conditions only. Based on your requirement you can use them.
Or order number is equal to 1, 2,
1
3.
to 5.
Oh, 1 to 5. Okay.
1 to 5 except 4th order. See step 1. Okay. Loop. Okay. Next condition. Apply the condition.
Yes, sir. If.
See next statement. If order number not equal to diamond operator not equal to 4, then execute.
Okay.
For example, first order number 1 not equal to 4, it will execute. 2, 3, 4 equal. Just a minute. Put base state, run the script. 1, 2, 3, 5. See once again. No 4th order. 1, 2, 3, 5. Ravnit, just enhance the script. I want to open 1 to 10 orders except 4th and 7th orders. 2 orders. 1 to 10 except 4th and 7th orders.
Okay, so we will put condition like and
1 to 10.
for 1 to 10 if order number not equal to and 4 and order number not equal to 10.
And ORD number not equal to 7.
Okay, 7, sorry.
Okay. Put base state, run the script. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. See, within loops condition. Next, I will show one more example. Terminating for loop. Terminating for loop. Just a minute. Terminating for loop. Suppose I want to open 1 to 10 orders. No condition. No condition. Just run the script. 1, 2, 3, 4, over. See, it is executing 1 to 10 orders. Suppose, just a minute. 15. 20. 20 also there. 24. 27. Okay. Suppose I want to open 20 to 30 orders. Specify the range 20 to 30. Observe, run the script. Say 20, 21, 2, 23, 25, 27. See. For example, yesterday 30 orders available. Today somebody deleted 27 to 30 orders. If it is unexpected error, how to handle? Observe. Error handling. See, cancel. It is just a minute. See, this is base state. This is base state. See, if order not available, close the error pop-up. Close the error pop-up. Just a minute. If order not exists, close the error pop-up, cancel the open order and set base state. This is the requirement. Observe. Here condition required. Condition. If so and so dialog box dot exist, here if you don't specify time, default time 20 seconds. See, safe side, specify the time. See, for failed time only it waits maximum time. Failed time only it waits maximum time. Then click on the OK button and cancel the open order dialog box and set base state. And if. Next, terminate the loop. End for. Run the script. Expected if. Observe, Ritu, where is the problem?
I think it's exit for or end for.
Oh, sorry, exit for. Okay, exit. Run the script. Just a minute. Use wait statement. You can observe the data. It is optional. Run. See 20, it is waiting for that pop-up for 4 seconds, not available. Next order 21, 22, 23, 24, 5, 26, 27. Terminated. Okay na Saujanya, terminated na? See here you can write.
Yes, sir.
Here you can return result also. Suppose reporter dot report event. Suppose if terminating loop means warning, script is not executing properly. See warning, make warning, or you can use 3. Result step name, next up to. Suppose ORD number not available means ORD number -1 only available. For example, 27th order not available. 27 minus 1, 26 only available. Orders only exist. Run the script. Executing. See 22nd order executing. 23. 4. 5. 26. 27. Terminated. 27 not available. Launch result window. See, observe the result status. Warning. Warning. See, we defined the result. Observe the result, Ritu. Up to 26 orders only exist. Status of result warning. Okay na?
Yes, yes, sir. So instead of loop, can we use system_util.close descending processes instead of loop?
Instead of loop? Instead of?
Yes, sir. Yeah, instead of this if condition, can we use that statement? System_util.close descending processes. Will it work?
I think it won't work. See, termination also required na. Loop termination also required na.
Okay, sir.
Just a minute. I will show. Say 20 to 30 orders warning. Suppose 1 to 5 orders. Say when loop terminates, suppose here we provided condition, when certain condition meets, then terminate the loop. If so and so error pop-up exists, then close the pop-up and terminate the loop. Suppose if there is no problem, it will execute. It won't terminate the loop. Run the script. Suppose 1 to 5 orders available. It won't terminate the loop. It will execute all orders. 2, 3, 4, all orders available. 5. See, executed. No termination. Open the result window, view last run results. See, just done status. Done. Done status. Okay, now Saujanya, did you understand this concept? If we use exit for terminating loop also, if required,
Yes,
it can terminate. Suppose if all records available, it won't terminate, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Earlier terminated, this time not terminated. You tell me, Ritu, what you asked instead of condition.
Yes, sir. Can we use
System-util.run. Okay. System-util close descendant process. System-util dot close descendant process. Next.
That's it.
Exit for okay. How to terminate the loop? If we use system-util.close descendant process, how to terminate the loop? Tell me, Ritu, how to terminate the loop? Suppose if you leave exit for as it is, what will happen? For first iteration, it will terminate now.
Yes, sir.
Run the script. If it is condition, within the condition, you can exit for. Observe. First record terminated now. Then
Yes, sir. Yeah.
where we can set this exit for? Tell me. In this scenario, condition is mandatory or not? Hello? In this scenario, condition mandatory or not?
Yes, sir.
Mandatory. See, system-util.close descendant process won't work. Condition only. See, next. Okay, now, Samir, for loop. We used for loop and terminating for loop also. Okay, now, Samir, any queries regarding this for loop?
No, sir.
Okay, cool. Next, while wend loop. While wend. Say first 3 loops purpose almost all same. Style different. You can use them based on your convenience. If you know the record count, you can use for loop. Irrespective of the record count, you can use while wend loop and do loop. Irrespective of the record count. See, first 3 loops purpose almost all same. Last loop for each next loop purpose is different, but in our test automation 99% we use first 3 loops only. Fourth loop limited use or no use in our test automation. See, while wend. See, first description. What is while wend loop? Functionality. It repeats a block of statements while condition is true. Once condition meets false, it comes out from the loop. See, it repeats a block of statements while condition is true. It repeats a block of statements while condition is true. Syntax. While condition next statements next increment or decrement next wend end keyword wend. Example, just a minute. Same open order, this time apply while wend loop. See, earlier we used, suppose variable is order number. Tell me, Ravnit, I want to open 1 to 5 orders using while wend loop. I explained the syntax. Using that syntax, solve this problem. I want to open 1 to 5 orders using while wend loop. Earlier we used for loop.
So we'll use while ORD number is less than or equal to 5 or equal to 5 while it's equal to
while
ORD number
less than or equal to 5.
Yep, it
Less
should be
than
like
or
that.
equal to 5. Say here we have to initialize the variable. In for loop, no initialization required. We are specifying the range 1 to 10 or 10 to 20 like. Here, by what is ORD number value? We didn't initialize. By default 0. In this application, no zeroth order. First initialize the variable. Order number equal to, tell me, Ravnit.
Order number equal to 1.
1, good. Next, increment or decrement before wend.
Increment by 1.
Order number equal to
Plus.
Order number equal to
plus 1.
Good. Order number plus 1. Say in C language or Java language, you can use I++, I minus, J++. Here not like that. Variable equal to variable plus 1 or variable minus 1 like that. See. Run the script. 1, 2. We didn't. Every time it is opening 1 only. We didn't pass the variable as parameter. Already passed. I think logic not correct. Logic not correct, Ravnit. Less than or equal to 1. Okay. Then order number equal to ORD number equal to same. Try to look at the problem, Ravnit.
So Every time it's setting up the order number to 1.
Why? See, here we are providing the increment na ORD number equal to ORD number plus 1. Then why it is executing same order? Just a minute. Run the script. 1, 1, same. Observe Ritu. Oh, spell mistake. Just a minute. Run 1, 2. Okay. Earlier spelling mistake. Variable spell misspell. 5. See, once again, run the script. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, na Ravneet?
Yes, right.
Just a minute. See, same structure, open 1 to 5 orders in reverse order, means 5 to 1 orders. 5 to 1 orders. Change the logic.
Order number is equals to 5.
Order number equal to 5.
Order number should be less than equal to 1.
1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Okay. Put base state. Run the script. It is not executing. Order number 5. Order number less than or equal to 1. No. Greater than or equal to 1.
Yes, right, greater than.
Run the script. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, executing. See, in this while when structure, no exit statement. In the next structure, do loop structure, exit do is there. Next, third one, do loop. Do loop. Already we discussed. Here we have to use either while keyword or until keyword. See, first using while keyword. Here two structures. Do while condition, do while condition, statements, increment or decrement, next end keyword loop. Okay. First of all, what is what is while structure? Same as like while wend. It repeats a block of statements, while condition is true. See next, you can use condition at bottom of the loop. For example, do statements, increment or decrement loop while condition. Observe Saujanya, what is the difference between these two structures? In the first structure, condition at top of the loop. The second structure, condition at bottom of the loop. What is the difference?
The first one is a simple one, sir. Like, if we want to do any exit or anything, we can use the second one.
No. Can you tell me some difference between these two structures?
In the first, the difference is in the second structure that loop will be executed at least once.
Yes, that is the concept. See, in the first structure, first it checks the condition. If condition is true, then it will execute statements. The second structure, irrespective of the condition, at least it executes once. That is the difference. Okay, na Saujanya, any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. Next, using until keyword. Using until. It is quite opposite to while keyword. See, here also same. Do until condition next statements. Do until condition statements increment or decrement loop. Next, here also condition at the bottom of the loop. Do statements condition loop until condition. So it is quite opposite. What is the functionality? It repeats a block of statements until condition is true. See, find the difference between while and until. Suppose if it is while, if you are in true position, it will repeat. Once you meet false position, it comes out from the loop. Quite opposite until. If you are in false position, it will repeat. Once you meet true position, it will come out from the loop. See, quite opposite. So I will show the example. And one more thing, you can terminate do loops. Exit do. Syntax is there. Examples. See, open order. Suppose ORD. Saujanya, I want to open 1 to 5 orders using do while loop. Earlier we used for loop and while wend loop. This time do while loop.
So it will be do.
Just a minute. First, I will change the syntax. Small change. Before do while, initialization.
Okay.
Initialization. It is mandatory. Otherwise, by default, variable value is 0. Initialization. Initialization. See, in while when loop also, second structure. First initialization, next while condition. Continue.
So we need to initialize first.
ORD equal to 1.
Equal to 1.
I want to open 1 to 5 orders.
Yes, sir. Now do order.
Just a minute. Condition first. Condition at top of the loop.
Yes,
while.
Do while. Order equal to
do
1
while
to 5.
Tell me the condition.
Order
ORD
equal to 1 to 5.
Here no ranges. Condition is not for loop.
Order equal to 5.
Order equal to 5 means first it checks order number 1. Order equal to 5. No, it won't execute.
Okay, order. Then what we have to
less
do?
Than or equal to
less than or equal to 5.
5. Next,
Yeah.
as like while wend. Next, increment.
Okay.
ORD
equal to 56.
ORD
right?
plus 1. Don't confuse.
Okay, sir.
Increment. Put mute. Run the script. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over. Next, suppose order number equal to condition at the bottom of the loop. Order number 10. Observe Ritu, for order number initialization 10, check the condition less than or equal to 5. Condition is true or false?
Actually, it's false.
False. Then what will happen?
It will come out of the loop.
It will execute 10th order na?
Yeah, it will execute once 10th order, then it will come out.
First it will execute 10th order, then check the condition. See 10 over. Suppose if it is 1, it will repeat. 4, 5. Suppose 10. Only 10. Next, here also you can terminate the loop if required. How to terminate? Same as like for loop. Suppose you can use condition at top of the loop or bottom of the loop. Suppose order number 20 initialization less than or equal to 30. So it has to open 20 to 30 orders. 20 to 30 orders. Run the script. 20 to 30 orders. Okay. Here, after OK click, write the condition. If so and so error pop-up exists, kill the error pop-up, cancel open order dialog box and put base state. If just a minute. Exist of 4 observe Ravneet, not exit, exist. Observe Ravneet, why we are using 4 seconds or 3 seconds? Here time specifying time for exist property is optional. If you don't specify the time, what will happen? Ritu, if you don't specify the time, what will happen?
It will wait for default.
Default 20 seconds. See, default synchronization time 20 seconds na. It will wait for that error pop-up every time 20 seconds. Okay na? That's why we are specifying the time. Time is optional. If you specify limited time 3 or 4 seconds, after 3 or 4 seconds it will continue. Otherwise, it will wait 20 seconds. Then, Ravanit, continue. Tell me, guide me. Then, where end if? Before increment. Next, exit do. Exit do. Next, Ravanit, define the result. If you terminate the loop, warning status. Define the result. Okay, I think you are not familiar with that concept. Samir, define the result. Earlier we used
Rebooter.report event.
Reporter dot report event.
Make warning.
Instead of make warning, you can use
make fail also.
3.
Oh, three. Sorry.
Next.
define the step name
step name res, any meaningful step name.
Then give the
message details or message up to ord -1. Concatenation required. Concatenate, again concatenate, orders only exist. Next, just terminate. Okay, exit do, after exit do. Run the script. See, 22nd order executing. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 not available, terminated. Open the result window, view last run result. It is showing current run done. Misplacement. Terminated, but result returning misplacement. Observe Ritu, where we need to set this statement. Ritu. Just a minute. Run the script. Twenty-two, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 not available, terminated. Launch result window. See warning status. Observe Ritu, earlier misplaced, isn't it? Ravneet, did you observe? This time it is showing warning status now.
Yes, right.
Earlier statement misplaced. See. See, up to 26 orders only exist, warning. See, this is about terminating do loop. Do loop. See, for here we use do while structure. For do until structure also same syntax. Exit do. For example, do until. I want to open 1 to 5 orders. Suppose 1, do until order number less than or equal to 5. I want to open 1 to 5 orders. Check the condition, Ravneet. I want to open 1 to 5 orders. I think this condition is not suitable. Observe. Until order number greater than 5. Run the script. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay na? Order number greater than 5. See, what is the until purpose? If you are in false position, it will continue. Once you meet true position, it will come out from the loop. Suppose 1 greater than 5. 1 greater than 5? No.
False.
Next 2 greater than 5? No. 3 greater than 5? No. 4 greater than 5? No. 5 greater than 5? No. Next 6 greater than 5? Yes, it will come out. Okay na?
Right.
See. Using. Next, condition at bottom of the loop. Same. But irrespective of the condition, at least it will execute once. See, in this scenario, condition is true, it will execute all records. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose 10 or 11. It will execute 11th record only. Run 11 over. Next, last loop for each next. See, for first 3 loops we use scalar variables. For last loop, array variable for each next. See, it executes all elements in an array. It executes all elements. See, for first 3 loops we use scalar variable. For last loop, array variable. And one more thing, first 3 loops purpose almost all same. In our test automation, most of the time we use first 3 loops only. It executes all elements in an array. Syntax. For each element in array, statements, next. Example. Suppose dim a comma b res of 3. See, in this declaration, A, B are scalar variables, res is array variable. For example, A equal to 10, B equal to 20. Res of 0, res of 0 equal to addition of A comma B is concatenate A plus B. Next, res of 1, A minus B. Next, res of 2, A multiplication B. Next, res of 3, see, for each element is not reserved word. In array, in this scenario, array is res. MSG box element. Observe, it will execute all elements in this array. Run. See, addition 30. Oh, I didn't change that one. Huh? Message. Addition, subtraction. Multiplication. Next, division. Run. Addition of AB is 30, subtraction minus 10, multiplication 200, division 0.5. See, it executes all elements in an array. See, these are the 4 loop structures in VBScript. Okay na? Saujanya, any queries? Saujanya.
No, sir.
Okay. See, one small concept we forgot. Actually, I have to explain that concept before variables or after variables. Okay, no problem. Small concept. VBScript constants. VBScript constants. VBScript constants. Say, constants are used to replace literal values and they never change. Constants are used to replace literal values and they never change. They never change. See, we have two types of constants in VBScript. Built-in constants, next user-defined constants. See, two types of constants. Two types of constants. One is built-in constants, built-in. Built-in constants. Next, user-defined constants. Say built-in constants. For example, var type function returns constant based result. 2 for integer, 8 2 for integer, 8 for string, 7 for date, 5 for double, 0 for uninitialized, etc. Var type function returns constant based result. Not only var type function. See, in several areas we use VBScript built-in constants, predefined. In file system object model, we use some built-in constants. For example, 1 for read, 2 for write mode, 8 for append mode, like that. See, next user-defined constants. We already used user-defined constants also. We already used. Can you recollect, Samir? We already used user-defined constants. Can you remember where we used? In descriptive programming we used na?
Yes, sir.
Descriptive programming, to replace objects information, we used constants. Okay. See, built-in constants, predefined, user-defined. How to create? Syntax. Constant name equal to value. If you want to define, if you want to declare more than one value, by separating with comma, you can use. Suppose const 1, const 2, like this. Example. Some disturbance is there. Example. Const city equal to London, comma, num equal to 100. For integer values, no double quotes. Next, constants versus variables. Variable values vary throughout the execution, but constants never change. For example, if you want to declare city constant, one constant, constant name city equal to London. Variable dim city equal to London. Suppose after some time, just a minute. If you want to change the value, city, here no, not like this. Declaration statement is different, value assignment different. City equal to London. Suppose after some statements, if you want to assign another value, city equal to Delhi. Error. It won't allow. Constants never change. If you want to change the value, in the declaration only you can change. Suppose variable. Oh. Just a minute. Variable. Suppose after some statements, if you want to change the value, you can change. City equal to Delhi. Say up to this statement, city, first three statements, city value London, next Delhi. See, variable values may vary throughout the execution. If you want to use different values, means for some portion of the script one value, some portion of the script another value you can use, but constants not like that. Constant never change. Okay na? Ravneet, did you find the difference between constants and variables?
Yes, right.
Declaration also different. Here constant declaration time only we assign value, but in variable declaration statement is separate and value assignment is another separate statement.
Yes, right.
And one more thing, you can change the variable values n number of times, but what about constant values? Constant values never change.
Yes.
Fixed value for entire script. Okay.
Right.
Okay, we'll meet on Monday. Some disturbance is there, battery problem. We'll meet on Monday, same time. Monday, I will explain important chapter, VBScript functions. First user defined functions, next built-in functions. Important one.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Welcome.